It was a beautiful Sunday morning. I woke up late. Yeah, so I decided to do some laundries, bed sheets and towels, and cook at the same time. Yeah, I forgot to bring the processes though. I made rice and beans with stew, and we already had some veggies I made. Yeah, I just needed to quickly do everything at once because, like I said, it's Sunday and of course I didn't go to church. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, but that's by the way. I was trying to get sundry a lot of things at the same time. No space to like hang them all. So I was kind of basically turning, drying, you know, picking out the ones that are dry, setting the ones that are yet to dry very well. Yeah. So I had to continue doing that. At least I was going outside almost every 10 minutes while cooking. Yeah. So I got back into the kitchen to round up. Yeah, my stew is almost ready. Yeah, I put it on the fire to like boil very well. The tomato mix, the meat's almost done. Yeah. Yeah, I had to boil the beans first. I boiled, and you know, now added the rice so that everything will get done together. So yeah, yes, my tomato is ready to add some oil. I think I prefer not frying my tomato, just to boil, add oil, pour the meat stock and everything, and yeah, Yoruba style. And I used both granite and red oil. Have you tried it before? Bam! I think you should try it. It's very nice. I love the Lagos Island Mama put vibes it gives me when you add just mixture of red oil and a little groundnut oil in your stew. It's very nice. Just give it a try. Don't say I not do anything for you. Yeah, it's very nice actually. Now, so after adding the red oil, I gave it a quick stir. Yes, but I had to return the oil in the fridge. I gave it a quick stir and had to turn and add other things. My friend that was videoing me was actually making me laugh, like saying things that are not even uncalled for. I didn't even, in fact, when I realized that I was going to have this video, I was like, oh God, what have I done? But I'm enjoying it anyway. One day, I'm going to tell you guys a very interesting story. Yeah, like I'll use a very nice story to, make